The next story that we present explains the importance of teamwork. The month of November is always an exciting month for the children at Rainbow Montessori School. Shall we go and see what the children in the V4, V5 classroom are excited about? Yes. Hi, I am Veda. Hi, I am Elena. Hi, I am Andrew.
Let's listen.
Good morning, Ms. Shubhada. Good morning, children. Now, listen to me, second grader kids. I want you all to talk amongst yourselves and pick a song to sing in the upcoming Christmas holiday program. Our program is on December 17th. We are now in the month of November. We must begin the practice very soon. Are you all excited? Yeah. Yay! Yes, Ms. Shubhada. The children begin to share their ideas. Can we sing the song Fireworks? Asked Veda. No, Veda, the first graders have already chosen that song. Let's pick another song, said Elena. I like the song The King of Pain, said Anna. No, Andrew. I think the third graders have already decided on that song. Let's try to think of another song, said Elena. Hey friends, you know what? I have an idea. I know what we should sing. I think we should sing. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night skies are like shooting stars? I produce a wish right now, wish right now. Said Veda. Yay, I love that song, said Andrew. Me too, said Helena. But friends, that song has a lot of words that are narrated in between in the song. It is actually a very difficult song. Who will learn those lines? Asked Veda. Rishi is taking private music lessons. So maybe Rishi can learn the words with the help of his music teacher, suggested Andrew. Oh, I would love to sing those special lines, said Rishi. And so, it was airplanes that they decided to sing. The second graders learned their song very well. They began to practice their song. Come on friends, let's now begin the practice.
Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie.
Wish right now. in that airplane with a nice sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can you float in that airplane with a nice sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Wish right now.
And thus the practice sessions went on very well. Miss Shubhada was very pleased with the progress the children made. As the special day came closer and closer, there was one boy in the class who was not happy. It was Rishi. He thought to himself, I think I am the best singer in the class. That is why I have been asked to sing these special lines. So why are all of us getting appreciated? The song is coming along well because of me and me alone. So why are the teachers saying, good job kids? Indeed, it should be good job Rishi and not good job kids. The more he thought about it, the more he was upset and mad. And so he came up with a plan. A very bad plan actually. Finally, the special day arrived. Third grader Varalakshmi. We welcome you to our show. We are excited that you can join us today. The second graders will now sing their song Airplanes. The children were all dressed up beautifully and they were looking forward to sing in front of their parents. The second graders actually started off their song well. But when it was Rishi's turn to sing his lines, he decided to mess it up. He sang out of tune. He did not sing the words correctly either. He sang badly on purpose. Their song did not turn out as well as they had practiced. The other children were not pleased. The parents were a little disappointed. Miss Shubhada was not happy about what happened either, but she did not say anything. Rishi could see that Miss Shubhada was not happy. He started crying. He told her why he sang so badly. Miss Shubhada patted Rishi on his back and advised him, Rishi, my dear boy, such feelings of thinking highly about yourself will do you no good. Never be proud of your talent. Never be jealous. Learn to work with everyone and work together as a team. You will be very successful in life. Rishi realized his mistake and learned his lesson. He went and said sorry to all his friends for doing a bad job and promised to be a good person from that day on. The other kids said, it's okay Rishi, let's do a great job next year. And the second graders were a happy lot once again.